Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install ShadPs4 and play Bloodborne. So first things first, you have to have installed flatpak. I'm gonna give you all the links in the description so you can follow this. Yeah, here you can select your distribution. In my case it's Arch. Already have it, so doesn't matter, but you just copy the command and you install it. I think I'm not gonna install because I have it, so I think you have to reboot after this. Okay, then after you have the flatpak installed, you're gonna come to this GitHub page. I'm gonna give the link in the description. Important, you have to be logged in, so if you don't have an account in GitHub, you have to create one. And you come here. Okay, for me, the version that I'm using right now, it's this. Linux prefers Wayland over X Wayland. 277 is the version that I'm using right now. So you click here, you come right down, and the first one, flatpak, you download it. Remember, you only can download it if you are logged in. So then you come to your downloads folder, extract it here, open a terminal here, and do this command. I leave in description too. Flatpak install and the name of the package. So you say yes, and put your password. I already have this version installed, so it give me an error. Okay, then you're gonna have ShadPs4 installed. Okay, first thing, the first time that you open this, it's gonna ask you where you want to put your games. So you can make a folder and name it PS4. You put it wherever you want. I have it here. And then in the paths you add and you put your PS4 folder that you created for the games to be stored. Okay. In general, I have enable full screen and is PS4 Pro. Here you can choose your system language for the games. This is the console language. Okay. Here in graphics I have my monitor resolution. Here VBlank divider I have in 3, so I can get higher frame rate. So it's like unlocked until 118 FPS, I think. I have a 144 monitor, so put in 3 here, and that's it. Okay, for installing the game, in this case the game and the patch, it's 109, my version of Bloodborne. You have here the serial number, the version I'm using. I can't give you the files, obviously, so you just come here, install package. The game has to be in a PKG format. Install, you search, and you install, and the version is the same thing. Install, and okay. So is everything. Then you click, and normally you can grab your gamepad automatically. So And that's it. The game, I'm just gonna show you the game is working. One thing that I forgot, you have to come in your game, you came to sheets and patches, and then you download the ShadPs4 sheets, okay, and ShadPs4 patches, okay. Then for me, I use this. You can pause the video if you want to put the same things, and that's it for me. Okay, game is working. Sometimes, like now, the sound is not working. You just have to start again the emulation, and when it's working all the games, so it's okay. Okay, bye guys.